I talk about Kajabi a lot, and I talk about how you can build really great websites on Kajabi, and you can host your entire business on there. The last couple of days, I've showed you what Amy Porterfield does, what Brendan Burchard does. Those are two really big names in the industry. Today, I want to show you someone who is a relative no-name, but I know you like him very much, and that is me, Lane. I'm going to show you my site on Kajabi, one of my sites on Kajabi called Preaching Donkey, and this is just going to be kind of a tour of the end product. I've showed you a lot of the background in Kajabi in my dashboard, how I built all this, how all this stuff comes together, the landing pages, all of it. But right now, I'm just going to show you the actual website like we've done with the other people in this series. So if you're going to jump on Kajabi, if you're thinking about it, use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. With that, you get some really cool perks that I'll talk about later. But just for now, just know that you can go check out Kajabi at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. All right, so let's dive in. This is my website. This is a simple approach. What I have going on here is what's called this is a hero image where I selected just this. And this is an old picture. I need to update this. This is from 2014, and I look a lot different now, but I just haven't yet. So anyway, preach life-changing messages, want to save time and prepare better sermons, grab my free 21-day guide to creating killer sermons. You get practical action steps to write better sermons in less time. So the very first thing I have is a call to action to the 21-day guide. And this brings up this landing page, preachingdonkey.com/21days. This is where I send all of my traffic unless I set up a different lead magnet for a different type of content. But this is my main lead magnet that I send people to. So it's the first thing you see. As you go down the home page, you see more about the 21-day guide. This is one of the things that I talk about in my teaching when I coach online business owners. What I want to help them understand is that your website is designed to do one thing, and that is drive leads to your email list. So the easier and the simpler you can make your website to navigate around your lead magnet, or like in Amy Porterfield's case we looked at a couple days ago, around several lead magnets, that's fine too, but her website is so geared towards generating leads and building her list, and that's what makes a powerful brand. So you can see there's the 3 things you're going to learn. Take your next step. There's a little PDF of it, and then again a call to action to go to the landing page. So if we go to blog, this is just a simple blog. Most of my content is videos, and so what I do in the blog is it's literally just a blog post where I embed the video and I put them, like this is a blog post, it's the YouTube video, a little bit of text, and right here in the sidebar, you guessed it, my lead magnet once again. And then I have a page where I have my books. These are the 2 books that I've written in this space and the people who are saying nice things about me in the space. So again, this is just a simple landing page where you can buy my book. And if you click on these, it's going to take you to the Amazon listing of that book. So that's pretty cool. And then courses. So this is where I have my products. Take your preaching to the next level. Whether you've preached for decades or you are just getting started, we have a course for you. So this is my flagship course, Killer Sermons Academy. This takes you to this landing page. It's a very in-depth, long sales page that sells this flagship course, Killer Sermons Academy. If you go to this one, it is Preaching Jumpstart. This is perfect if you're new to preaching. This is my mini course. So the page is similar, but it's not as in depth. It gets right to the point because this is just a 7-lesson course that sells for $97 or $197. And then you can join my membership site, which is the Advanced Coaching Community, which right now the sales page isn't live. It's just a wait list. So again, super simple. You can see that there's not a whole lot of craziness here. And then I have a coaching tab, coaching page. So I've got a little testimonial here at the top. Kajabi makes this super easy. You just select the thing in the website builder that's called testimonial, and then it goes right there, and I do both evaluations and one-on-one coaching. And then my about page is just a little bit about me, but really it just points back to the 21-day guide. It's mostly about the 21-day guide and a little bit about me, and that's intentional and by design. And then right here is where people can log into my website if they have a course with me or they're part of my membership site. That's where they actually log in to be a part of it. So I hope you can see this is a simple 2, 3, 4, 5 page website. Nothing magical, nothing fancy. It just is centered around the lead magnet and a little bit of content, but also the lead magnet and mostly the lead magnet, right? That's what I'm getting. And most of my sales do not come from people clicking on these links. I can track that. Most of my sales come from my email sequence. That's why these are on there, just because if somebody's on my site and they're looking around and they're like, hey, I like this guy, I want to buy one of his courses, they can do that, but they sell far better in my automated email sequence, which I have a lot of videos in this series on how to set that up, how to do it start to finish. So go back through and watch. This is actually day 81 of Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days. So thanks for watching. If you want to join Kajabi, use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. With that, you get a 30-day free trial, you get a 45-minute Zoom call with me, and you get a really awesome template that I made that's going to help you launch your first course. All that is yours to say thank you for using my link, because it is an affiliate link. So when you use it, I do get a small commission. So if you appreciate what I do in this channel and it's helped you in some way, and you're going to check out Kajabi anyway, you might as well use my link to do it. At this point, check out this playlist right here where we'll go even more in depth into Kajabi to see if it's right for you. So click right there and I'll see you in that playlist.